Hello everyone, I just got some new CobraPin LED panels. These come in panels of 45 and they are RGBW, so they have the white channel. It's a natural white channel. And I was able to get connectors on them. So this has JST XH connectors, just like my GI boards that I recently came out with. So now we get the RGBW LED and the connectors. And the cool thing about these is now, here's a little single board with the blue glow going on here. We can also use these light pipes, and these can become GI as well. So it's just a 2% glow right there, so it's pretty dim, but gives you an idea. So you just mount that through a hole in the playfield, and then you have GI with the same LED sticks that you use for inserts. So that's kind of nice. Thanks for checking it out.